Hello guys. So last week we did 1 year of ownership with Mazda MX-5, and today we have another very special car. The car that is the most special to me is the BMW E92 M3. Should you buy such car in 2025? Is it still worth it? Is it a good idea? How's the maintenance, fuel economy, reliability? We will discuss it all in this exact video. You will not find a honest answer anywhere else. This is exclusively, only in this video you will find this information. Only in this video you will learn everything you need about the E92 M3. Why should you get this one? Why not any other M car? Why not F80 M3? Why not E46 M3? Actually, a E46 M3 would be a good M car to get. However, in my case, I have had many inline 6 BMWs. I have never tried the V8. And this V8 is not like any other V8. If you think about it, this is basically a Honda Civic inline 4 VTEC, but in the shape of V8. This is exactly that. A high revving 4-liter naturally aspirated V8. I think this or E46 is the best M car you can possibly get. It still has that high revving engine feeling, perfect amount of power, nothing too much and nothing too little. The E46 might be even faster on some tracks, but you cannot beat the sound of E92 V8. It's just something else. While E46, the sound is probably one of the worst inline 6 sounding engines ever made. You still have the original hydraulic power steering, not that electric bullshit that you have in new M cars. My experience and how it was to own this car for 1 year. Now let's start from the worst. What costs the most when you own this car? Well, naturally it is the insurance. It's not as bad as you think. For example, if you follow me long enough, previously before this car I had the 2 Series, the M235i. It's much newer. The insurance for that cost 200-300 more than it costs to insure this E92 M3. So for 1 year to insure E92 M3, it costs £900. Everything legit. Second would be the road tax. Road tax for this car is absolute robbery. The maximum you can pay for 1 year, it's around like 600-700. I think it's close to 700 per year now, which is unbelievable. Which is another reason why you might consider F80 M3 instead, or E46 M3, because I think for those cars you only pay like 365, so basically half of what you pay for this one, but it's worth it. Now this car has 140,000 miles. It's not a low mileage example, not at all. Maintenance, reliability, 1 year it cost me, I would say, roughly £200. Now what does that include? £200. Oil change, filter, around £100. What else did we fix? Exhaust had a small leak, car was going crazy. And the thing is, it's a bit hard to diagnose these cars. With newer BMWs, I'm pretty sure that the car would have told me. Like, if you read the codes, it would tell you there's exhaust leak, something with the exhaust. With this car, it was like, just figure it out yourself. I'm not gonna tell you that your exhaust is leaking, it's just, I'm panicking, fix me. So yeah, we had to find a solution for that, and it turned out just to be a simple exhaust leak that cost me, I think, £20 to fix. Also, as y'all know, I'm a great mechanic and I did it myself. It took me just 1 day. I wouldn't recommend that, to do it yourself. But that cost me £20. Now you've asked me, this car is not the perfect daily. Maybe with automatic gearbox DCT it would be better, but this one being manual is not the best. Honestly, something like F80 M3 would be 10 times better as a daily. Which brings us to another costly thing, fuel economy. If you are driving economically long distances, the fuel economy is not bad at all. 28 to 30 mpg, UK mpg. Before fixing the exhaust gaskets, the numbers were not that great. I have been seeing numbers such as 21, 22 mpg, and I was like, damn, this is good. This is really economical. Then I sorted it out, the exhaust leak, and we are seeing the numbers as high as 30 mpg. This car is really not bad at all if you are driving sensibly. If you floor it, on the other hand, which you will, you won't see such great numbers. Regarding what I did during this year of ownership, I just basically changed the wheels to the wheels that everyone hates. Sorry, I'm not spending 5,000 for the wheels that look exactly the same and perform the same. So we have Japan Racings and we have lowering springs. And that's all the car needs in my eyes. It still drives perfectly, it's still functional, and it looks absolutely epic. And on the back as well, we have facelift lights, because this car is not actually facelift. Those look so much better than the pre-facelift ones. The exhaust was already modified, so we didn't change anything there. And the last thing we did to make this car perfect is on the inside. So let's head inside and I'll show you. And the only modification that you need on the inside is this. Ta-da! Screen that actually does something. Screen that actually tells you where you need to go. Screen that tells you who's calling you. Screen that tells you the message that you just received. Screen that tells you everything you need to know about your car. OEM car info. We have everything that came originally with the car. All the information. That's all the modifications you need for E90 or E92 M3. Also, the other modification that I'm thinking about is the shifter from M5, which is slightly better, has a shorter throw or something like that, but it's quite a popular modification, so I think I might change this to that M5 shifter to make this car even better. We obviously need to sort out all the scratches, which I think I'll tackle this year. I will try to do some polishing, first on Miata, and then if it turns out great, we will do it on this car. Also, one more thing that I might fix, which I don't really need to. As you see, cup holder number 1, flawless action, flawless performance. And cup holder number 2, which is not important because I never have any passengers or friends. Maybe I should remove it for weight savings. That is a good idea. Now, why this car is not ideal for daily driving? Well, simply because you cannot floor it in few minutes after starting it. Why? Because it uses 10W60 oil, which takes 2 business days to warm up. There's some cars, if you don't warm it up, it's not that bad, like it will survive. But this one, if you floor it cold, it revs all the way to 8.2, 3000 RPM. You will cook the rod bearings. This car is famous for rod bearing failure. And them rod bearings don't fail if you have any brain in there. You just need to warm it up and be sensible about it. That's all you need to do. Now if you modify the exhaust to make it louder, which you will, because stock it's not loud enough, definitely not loud enough, you will love it, but you will hate it at the same time, especially for normal commutes. The modified exhaust makes this car drony AF. Let me show you how loud it is if I just start the engine. Just the idle. Tiny revs, baby. You will learn that you need to hold higher revs, especially when driving uphill and stuff. Drone is so crazy, you will have a headache in 10-15 minutes. We talked about expenses. I think I need a new battery for this car because I keep getting battery warning. I'm pretty sure my battery is old, so that's another 200 pounds. So all in all, we spent, or we should have spent, around 400 pounds for maintenance. It's still 200 because as long as the car runs, if it drives, it's 200. But maybe, just maybe, we should have spent, oh, actually, you know what? I forgot about the tires. You know, when I bought this car, the tires were okay, but I sold them wheels with them tires, and then I bought these, and these didn't even have the same tires. Like all 4 tires were different, only 2 tires were the same. Tires in the back were the same, and the front, they had different tires. I think legally you're not even allowed to do that. Like front or rear axle, the tires are supposed to be the same. I changed all 4 tires. And now in the back we have linglongs, which cost 60 pounds each. So around 130-40 with fitting, not bad at all. The front though, the Michelin's Palette 4S's, 330 pounds with fitting. Though the front should last, so it's only the back that will go out in a few months. This guy is cheap to maintain and fix and own, and I hope you enjoyed the video. You should definitely buy this car. I highly recommend it. Don't wait, don't think. It's way better than F80. You will experience the real M car and not some bull from the future, which are made for people that don't even know anything about the cars and just want to flex them because they are expensive and nice. It's probably actually the last M car. I think real M cars ended with either E46 or E92 and E60. Probably E92. I hope you liked the video. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you would like to see next. And I think next week we will do some POV driving with this car. Have a nice day. Consider subscribing. And I will see you in the next video. Take care, guys.